Hola, ¿qué tal? And welcome to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I upload videos every day. Subscribe. Today, we're going to review some of the words we've learned in my videos, the Spanish word of the day, feelings and emotions. But before we test your Spanish knowledge, subscribe, click the red button. I upload videos like this on a regular basis. Excelente! In this Spanish quiz game, we're going to review videos 1 to 32 and all the vocabulary that we learn on those videos. So let's see how much Spanish do you really know when it comes to feelings and emotions. Here we go! 3, 2, 1. Question number 1. Pregunta número 1. Angry in Spanish is A. Feliz, B. Triste, or C. Enojado. What do you think? Feliz, triste, or enojado? Who will get the most points in this Spanish quiz? Write down your answer and let's see if you're right or wrong. Correcto o incorrecto? The answer is C. Enojado. That's right, enojado means angry in Spanish. You can also say enfadado, which is a synonym. Pregunta número 2. Question number 2. Scared in Spanish is A. Cansado, B. Asustado, or C. Orgulloso. Cansado, asustado, or perhaps orgulloso. Write down your answer. Escribe tu respuesta. What do you think the correct answer is? Let's see. La respuesta es, the answer is B. Asustado. Asustado means scared. In Mexico, they also say espantado, which is a synonym. Pregunta número 3. Question number 3. How do you translate the word interested in Spanish? A. Interesante, B. Interesantemente, or C. Interesado. What do you think the correct answer is? Interesante, interesantemente, or perhaps interesado. Come on, you've got this. Make sure you write down the answer. And la respuesta is, the answer is C. Interesado means interested. Interesado. Excelente. Question number 4. Pregunta número 4. Nervous in Spanish is A. Nerviosa, B. Nervio, o C. Nerviosamente. A. Nerviosa, B. Nervio, C. Nerviosamente. I tell you what, there is only one correct answer. Which one do you think it is? And the answer is, la respuesta es A. Nerviosa. If you're a female, you are nerviosa. If you're a male, you would say nervioso. Write that down if you had it right. Pregunta número 5. Pregunta means question, and número 5, number 5. Relaxed. A. Relajación, B. Relajado, o C. Relajadamente. Like this guy on the beach. Look at him. He's so relaxed and chilled. A. Relajación, B. Relajado, o C. Relajadamente. This guy is truly relaxed. He's just going for a walk now, enjoying the beach, the air, the beautiful day. Okay, so the answer is B. Relajado. o relajada if you're a female. That's right, relajado means relaxed. Siguiente, pregunta número 6. Question number 6. Confused is translated in Spanish as A, confuso, B, confundida, or C, confusión. What do you think? This girl is confuso, o confundida, o confusión? She looks quite confused. Think carefully. What do you think the correct answer is? Let's see. La respuesta es, the answer is B, confundida. Confundida means confused. And we say confundida because that was a girl. So we say confundida. If it was a boy, confundido. Pregunta número 7. Question number 7. Depressed. A, deprimido. B, deprimente. O C, abuelo. What do you think? A, B, or C? Think about it and write down your answer. Are you sure? ¿Estás seguro? ¿Estás 100% seguro? The answer is, la respuesta es A, deprimido. That means depressed. And if a female is depressed, you would say deprimida. But we don't want to be depressed, we want to be happy. Let's see, pregunta número 8. Question number 8. Excited. That's how we want to be. A, entusiasmado. B, enojado. O C, amigable. What do you think the correct answer is? A, B, o C? I can hear the clock. What do you think the correct answer is? Who's winning? I wonder who's winning in your class. Don't forget to leave it in your comments. Tell me who won in your class and how many points you got. The answer is entusiasmado. Entusiasmado means excited. Siguiente, next one. Pregunta número 9. Question number 9. How do you say jealous in Spanish? A, confundido. B, celosa. Or perhaps C, cansado. What do you think the correct answer is? Like this girl, is she feeling confundido, celosa, or cansado? If you know about gender in Spanish, you probably can already see the correct answer. Look at the words carefully. The answer is, la respuesta es B, celosa. That little girl was feeling a bit celosa, jealous. And it being a little boy would have been celoso. Siguiente, pregunta número 10. Question number 10. Tired in Spanish is A, enamorada. B, impaciente. O C, cansada. This lady is feeling enamorada, impaciente, or perhaps she's feeling cansada. What do you think? The answer is C, cansada. She was feeling cansada. She was yawning and she looked extremely tired. Cansada. Pregunta número 11. Question number 11. We're also learning the numbers here. Embarrassed in Spanish is A, celosa. B, avergonzada. O C, feliz. A, B o C. Celosa, avergonzada o feliz. By the way, don't say embarazada. That means pregnant in Spanish. It doesn't mean embarrassed. It is either celosa, avergonzada o feliz. The answer is B. Avergonzada. That lady was feeling avergonzada. That means embarrassed. We're almost there. Pregunta número 12. Question number 12. Don't forget to write down your answers. Rude in Spanish is translated as A. Amigable, B. Maleducado, o C. Entretenido. What do you think rude is? If you want to call someone, oh, you are rude, would you tell him you are amigable? Oh, you're maleducado. Or you would tell him you are entretenido. Give it a guess. You gotta be like a word detective. Look at the words. There's a word that can give it away. The answer is B. Maleducado. Educado comes from the word educated, educación. Give yourself a point if you actually chose maleducado. Question number 13. Pregunta número 13. How do you say in love in Spanish? Like this couple, they are in love. They're going to see the beautiful sunset together. In love is A. Enojado, B. Tímido, or maybe C. Enamorado. What do you think this guy is feeling? Enojado, tímido, o enamorado? La respuesta, the answer is, if you're a boy, a man, enamorado. If you're a woman or a girl, enamorada. Well done, excelente. So make sure that you've written down all your answers. And now we're going to see the resultados. Resultados, yes, you guessed it right. Look at the word, it means results. So, are we ready to start adding up all the points that we've got? Excelente. So if you got from 0 to 2, try again. 3 to 5, getting there. 6 to 8, not bad at all. 9 to 10, you are a Spanish pro. 11 to 12, you are a Spanish campeón. And by the way, if you're a Spanish teacher or you're a student who wants to download the printable for this Spanish quiz, you can actually join my VIP membership. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you will gain access to all the printables and you can print the copies and revise in the classroom or at home. Excelente amigos. Once again, don't forget to click the red button, subscribe. Please share this video and give it a like, and I hope to see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Chao, chao.